Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Redundancy back again, also known as CR. And I want to share some more green plants with you and some dark, rich soil. So here are 3 plants right here that I started growing inside since like the beginning of May at least, maybe the end of April. Show a close up of them. Now these are just something I'm just experimenting with. I had them, I started them from seed and then, I let them grow a little. Now I just transplanted them into the soil. Fairly fluffy, loamy soil. It's pretty good. This one's a little short. It's okay. So remember, as our world changes, we can adapt to skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. Until the next time, I'll see you later. And no pun intended. And you know I had to throw a pun in there. Take care.